Digital cartography. In class 11, we have studied about the cartography. Cartography is the art and science of map making technique. The person who prepares the maps is called as cartographer. The digital cartography is also called as map creation. The map features a map scale, north arrow, map keys, cartographic grid, etc. Cartographic functions. It produces graphics on the screen or on paper that conveys the result of analysis to the people who make decisions about resources. Wall maps and other graphics can be generated to visualize and understand the results of analysis. Database information can be generated for further analysis. An example would be a list of all addresses within 1 mile of a toxic spill. The table below shows the relationship between the map scale and the respective feature dimension on the ground. Advantages and benefits of GIS. GIS is becoming an essential tool for government and many large corporations to understand recent developments. Senior administrators and executives at the highest levels of government use GIS information products to communicate. These products provide a visual framework for conceptualizing, understanding, and better decision. GIS can be used in many areas such as land use, crime, the environment, and defense security situations. GIS is a very popular tool in current era due to its various advantages as discussed below. Planning of project. The maps generated by different agencies are likely to be in different scales and projections. In order to compare data from maps, they have to be converted into some scale and same scale and projection. In past, mapping of different scale and projection were done manually. But with the help of GIS, the maps can be stored in digital form in real-world coordinates. Therefore, the conversions of map projections can be done easily and quickly. The spatial analysis functions of GIS applied to visualize the different scenarios to planner to facilitate the planning of different projects. The extensive data handling capabilities during the studies of different scenarios increase depth of knowledge and wide span of information. Better decision making. The better information leads to better decision. The various spatial and non-spatial data analysis results better decision. Common examples include real estate site selection, route, corridor selection, zoning, planning, conservation, natural and resource extraction, etc. Visual analysis. Visualizations of GIS-based maps helps in understanding different scenarios and situations. Maps improve communication between different teams, departments, disciplines, professional organizations, and the public and private organization. Digital terrain modeling is an important utility of GIS. DTM, 3D modeling and landscape can be better visualized. Results to better understanding of various features of the earth. Improving organizational integration. Much organizations have implemented GIS to improve the management of their resources. GIS has the ability to link data sets. It facilitates intra-departmental information sharing and communication. By creating shared database, one department can benefit from the work of another department. Data can be collected and created once and used several times. Communication increases among individuals and different departments. Therefore, redundancy is reduced and productivity is improved and enhanced, which leads the overall organization efficiency. Efficient data storage and management. In the past, people were using paper maps which were static, covered limited area. It was difficult to update. It took lots of space to store data. Over a period of time, it was deteriorated. It is unable to interpret the relationship between different features through static map. After implementation of GIS, it is easy to interpret the relationship of hidden features. Once the data are created through GIS, it is in a digital format which is easy to store, update, interpret and manage. Cost and time saving. GIS facilitates sharing data within the departments which reduce the cost and resources. Due to automated functionalities of GIS, it saves the time of data processing. Better data management. GIS is increasingly being implemented as enterprise information system. GIS enables the organization to organize and manage their resources and assets more efficiently. For example, utilities, forestry and oil companies. The assets and resources are now being maintained as an enterprise information system to support day-to-day work. GIS enables management tasks and provide a better, broader context for assets and resource management. Accessibility. To access data prepared by GIS is easy and faster as compared to conventional method, which result in better decision making. Database driven. Paper maps represent Earth features graphically without any attribute information. Since GIS works with different types of database with attribute information, which helps to understand geo features and their relationship efficiently. New information can be created with existing data to represent various scenarios for better decision. Digital cartography.